Did you know that one volcano eruption changed the entire world's weather for a whole year? In 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia exploded with the power of millions of atomic bombs. The blast was so loud that people heard it 1,200 miles away. But here's the crazy part. The explosion itself wasn't even the worst part. All that ash shot up into the sky and spread around the entire planet like a giant blanket. It blocked out the sun for months. The year 1816 became known as the year without a summer. Snow fell in June across America. Crops died everywhere, causing the worst famine of the century. The whole world got 3 degrees colder. But something amazing came from this disaster. Those ash clouds created the most incredible blood-red sunsets that inspired famous artists. And get this, the cold, gloomy summer trapped a young woman named Mary Shelley indoors, where she wrote one of the most famous horror stories ever, Frankenstein. One volcano literally changed art, weather, and literature forever.